Thinking of saying goodbye to BlueSky Social? Whether you're taking a break or moving on, I'll walk you through the steps to delete your account quickly and easily. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete BlueSky app account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by opening the BlueSky Social app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here, tap on the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, tap on the Account option. This is where you'll find the options related to managing your account. Under Account Settings, look for the Delete Account option and tap on it. For the security reasons, BlueSky Social app will send a confirmation code to your email address. In order to get the confirmation code, tap on the Send Email option. Now in this page, you'll have to enter the confirmation code that was sent to you and the password to your account. After you're done, tap on Delete My Account option. Once confirmed, your BlueSky Social account will be deleted permanently. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. And there you have it, your BlueSky Social account has been successfully deleted. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.